Welcome to English Talk Nova. You're not alone on this journey. We're always here with you.
Hey, you're doing amazing. Every step counts, and we're right beside you. Keep shining, keep learning. Let's make this journey fun.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to English Every Day. I'm Taylor, and today we're tackling one of the scariest challenges for English learners.
Oh no, grammar drills?
Not today, Jimmy. I'm talking about small talk.
Small talk. The art of pretending you like someone for 5 minutes?
Exactly. But seriously, small talk is everywhere. At work, in a cafe, at parties. It's how we break the ice and connect with people.
Yeah, and if you fail, people just nod politely and run away.
True, but don't worry. By the end of today's episode, you'll know how to start, continue, and end small talk like a pro.
Tip 1. Start with something easy.
The easiest way to start a conversation is with the weather.
Yes. Nice weather today, isn't it? The universal opener.
Exactly. Simple, safe, and almost everyone can answer. In Britain, they can talk about the weather for hours.
Yeah, they turn a cloudy day into a 20-minute conversation. Tip 2. Ask open-ended questions.
Instead of asking, "Did you have a good weekend?" ask, "What did you do over the weekend?"
So you actually get a story, not just a yes or no?
Exactly. And then you can ask follow-ups, like, "Oh, really? Where did you go?" Or, "What movie did you watch?"
It's like playing tennis. You hit the ball, they hit it back, and the conversation continues. Tip 3. Find common ground.
Look for shared interests, movies, music, pets, or coffee.
Yeah, if they say they love coffee, boom, conversation started.
But if they hate coffee, don't panic. Move on. Like, "Oh, what do you usually drink?" Always keep it flowing.
I like that. Smooth recovery. Tip 4. Show interest and enthusiasm.
Avoid one-word answers. Instead of cool, say, "Wow, that sounds amazing," or "I've never tried that before."
Oh no, I once said cool 10 times in a row. The conversation died instantly.
That's verbal suffocation, Jimmy.
Tip 5. Smile and use body language. Yes, the silent language. Nod, smile, lean slightly. It shows you're engaged.
Exactly. Even if you say, "So, nice day, huh?" A smile makes it work.
So my awkward elevator comment can survive.
Tip 6. Listen more than you speak.
Pay attention to details. If someone says, "I just got a puppy," you can ask, "What's its name?" instead of just cool. Catch the key words and follow up. Got it.
Exactly. That's how conversations flow naturally.
Tip 7. End gracefully.
Say something like, "It was great chatting with you," or "Have a wonderful day."
Yes. Avoid the rude, "Okay, bye" exit.
Right. Small talk is about connection, not perfection.
So basically, even if you make mistakes, people appreciate the effort.
Exactly. Practice every day. In the elevator, at the cafe, at work, even online.
And next thing you know, you'll be chatting like a native.
Perfect. Remember, Start easy, ask questions, find common ground, show interest, listen, and end politely.
And if you ever forget what to say, compliment their shoes.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Stay curious, stay friendly, and keep practicing your English, one small talk at a time.
See you next time on English Every Day.
Bye bye, everyone.